Hey, how's it going out there? Thanks for stopping by. Hope you're having a great day so far. So I'm out here diving in slightly deeper waters with my friend Russ, and he spots a school of moo and lets me take a drop on them. So as I'm dropping down, I'm looking for a spot to hide and kind of see how the moo will react. I see this crack and I think, oh, this is good. I'm gonna hide my body over here and stash my gun and keep my gun hidden from the fish, trying not to startle them. The moo, they're off on my left and they start to come towards me already. They're pretty tame out here. I think this is 53 feet. So I keep my gun hidden until they start to get closer. I raise my gun up slowly and aim for the moo that is closest within range. Boom, I take a shot. It's a far shot, but I hit him in the mid body and I horse him off of the reef to make sure he doesn't get tangled and to engage the flopper, keep tension on the line as I'm boosting him up. But as I'm swimming up, my right fin, my dive bar blade, decides to crack, snap in half. And I've had these fins for like 10 years at least, so no hard feelings towards the company Dive R, but these fins are great. It just so happened that this is the day that they retired. So I'm kind of struggling. I gotta brain the fish still, and my dive partner Russ is already swimming towards me, checking up on me. Thanks, brother Russ. All good. The swim back is gonna suck though, because we're out here at the ledge. Now, I always wanted to see what the hype was about for these Nashville hot chicken sandwiches, but I didn't want to go out and buy one, so I decided to make one with this moo. I've made fish burgers and fish sandwiches before, and they always come out good, so I don't think it's gonna go bad. Saving the bones for soup, as always. No waste. When I cut up the fillets, you're gonna want to just simply season them with garlic, salt, and black pepper, or your favorite seasonings, doesn't matter. So the brine is gonna be buttermilk, some pickle juice, some hot sauce. I had Tabasco, 2 eggs, whisk it up, and then keep that marinated for a couple hours. Next, you have your dry ingredients. Get a bunch of flour, season it well, salt and pepper, a bunch of cayenne pepper, make it as hot as you want, mix it up. Then take your marinated fillets out of the buttermilk and you're going to do a double dredge. So into the flour, coat it completely, pat it dry, whatever you want, put it back into the marinade and then back into the flour mixture. Make sure you coat it well. Also make sure you have enough flour, because I sure didn't have enough flour. I had to make another batch. While you're preparing your pieces, on the side, get a large skillet and get your cooking oil to medium heat. I'm using ghee or clarified butter. That works just as well. And make sure you fry either 1 or 2 pieces at a time. Try not to drop the temperature. Once they're golden brown, of course, check for doneness. Okay, traditionally, Nashville hot chicken got a spicy sauce that they add on after. So we're gonna just use similar spices to make our own and kind of just whisk it up and make a glaze. Get yourself some brioche buns. Put some mayonnaise on that, some pickles, and that finishing glaze on there. I hope you get to try this out one day for yourself. And until next dive.